In this video, you'll learn how to change the opacity of video clips, export a still frame, edit to perform a freeze frame, and adjust visual motion effects. First, let's look at the opacity of video clips. To change the opacity of video clips, click on the wrench icon to change the timeline display settings for your sequence. In this menu, select the option to show video keyframes. After expanding the video track, double-click or keyboard shortcut Command+, you will see a video band across your video clips. You can adjust this band just like the audio's volume band to adjust the opacity of your video. Next, let's look at how to export a still image from a video clip and use it to perform a freeze frame. First, position the playhead over the frame with the still image that you want to use. Then click the Export Frame button in the program monitor or shortcut Shift-E on the keyboard. In the pop-up window, you can choose a name for the exported image file, choose an image format like PNG, select your save location, then check the box to import the image into your current Premiere project. The exported image will appear in your project bin, and you can drag and drop it into your sequence just like an audio or video clip. If you make a cut where you exported the image from your video clip and insert the image file at this point on your timeline, you can shorten or lengthen the image to create a freeze frame in the action of your video. Now let's look at how to adjust video motion effects. First, we want to move from the Editing Workspace to the Effects Workspace at the top of the screen. In the Effects Workspace, select the clip on your timeline you'd like to edit, and then select the Effects Controls tab in the top left window. Use the arrow to twirl down options under the Motion Effects section. In this section, you can adjust the video's position, scale, rotation, and anchor point. Changing the position value moves the image along the X or Y axis within the frame. Scale will shrink or expand the image, and rotation will rotate your image. Changing the anchor point alters the point at which these other effects are centered around. Using these motion effects, you can create graphic overlays and movement within your video and image clips. For more tutorials, software, and equipment guides, visit the MRC website.